Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we would learn how to solve the practice problem C++ data types. So first we would understand the question and then we would solve it. So let's start. Basically in this question, we are focusing on three data types, that is integer, second is character, that is char, third is float. Okay, so basically what do you need to do? You need to declare a variable. After declaring the variable, you need to take input for that data type. You know, like if I'm declaring a variable in an integer data type, then I need to take an input and then I need to return with that input value. Let's take an example for understanding it. So my example would be, for integer, I would say like integer a. Okay, I declared the data type. Then I would use cin to take input for a and then I would just return with the value of a. So basically this is for integer. I need to do the same steps for character as well as the next float. So I hope the concept is clear to you. So now let's solve it. So what you need to do is you need to go to practice portal. In practice portal, in difficulty section, you need to choose school. After choosing school, you need to find the problem C++ data type. Okay, after finding it, you need to solve it. Okay, so let's read the question. Read a value and store it in the appropriate C++ data type. Okay, and now you need to code here, here and here. Okay, over here it would be for integer, over here it would be for character, and over here it would be for float. Okay, so I hope it is clear to you. So let's start. Okay, so first we are doing it for integer, right? So it would be int a semicolon, enter cin a semicolon, and then you just need to return with the value of a. Okay, now let's come over here. I need to take a character. So it would be char s, then you would say cin s, then you need to return with the value of s. Now last one is float. So let's do it. So it would be float f, then next would be cin, taking the input for the float variable f, then you just need to return with the value of f. Okay, so now once we have coded it, I would click on compile and run. 1 minute, let's wait. Okay, the compilation is complete and my output is matching with the expected output. So now I would submit the problem. Okay, it is checking all the test cases and the problem is solved successfully. And this is how you solve the practice problem C++ data types. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you guys have enjoyed the video, make sure you click on the like button and subscribe our channel. And thank you for joining me today. Thank you.